We are the nerds, the misfits, the rebels, the travel makers, the crazy ones enough to believe we can do so with our passion. This quote can be a perfect introduction to a project and community we are going to discuss today. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about OKCash. With its development and innovation, it has proved that it can become the next generation of digital currency. We have divided the complete video into 4 parts. In the first part, we are going to share what is OKCash all about. In the second part, we will share what are the benefits or privileges OKCash offers to its users. In the third part, we will share what is special about this coin or what are the benefits that makes it stand apart. In the fourth and the final part, we will share what are some of the exchanges from where anyone can buy some OKCash. Also, we will share some free ways using which anyone can get some free OKCash too. As a brief introduction, we would love to say it is a decentralized and fast growing cryptocurrency that came into existence on November 24th, 2014. At the very start, it was a proof of work coin, and with time it has developed itself and now it has become a completely proof of stake coin, which is very efficient and energy friendly too. Now, if we want to compare the benefits OKCash offers with some of the popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, we will see its transaction speed, lowest fees, and its growing community makes it stand apart. Now, let's talk about the transaction speed first. We know that for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the transaction speed is slower. Now for OKCash, it takes around 72 seconds just to complete a transaction, which is pretty much faster than most other cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about the fees. OKCash has 0.0001 OK as a fees, which is just a fraction of a dollar. It is cheaper than most other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now let's talk about its growing community. We know that community is very important for any project for its growth and development. OKCash has a network of engaging developers and users, which makes it a trustworthy coin. But what is so special about OKCash? We know that decentralization and cryptography is common to most coins. Apart from its open sourceness, no single point ownership or control, OKCash offers something very special. It has a high staking reward. We know that staking is required to protect the network and validated transactions. Anyone with OKCash can start staking their coins in their OK wallet and in other different staking pools, and they will be rewarded from the next day onward. Can you imagine what is the return on investment OKCash offers? Actually, it offers a very high return percentage for staking. Currently, its staking reward is 22% annually. This 22% staking reward can be a very good source of passive income for its investors. If anyone want to learn more about how they can install their OKCash wallet or any other thing, they can visit the link given in the screen, and there they will find some step-by-step tutorial and guides on how they can install their OKCash wallet. Now let's talk about how to get some OKCoin. There are two ways. The first one is anyone have to buy it from exchanges like Bittrex CRX24 and Bitmart. Currently, Bittrex is the highest liquidity and volume provider for OKCash. The next one is CRX24, and recently OKCash is listed in Bitmart too. There are few other exchanges where OKCash is traded. If you want the complete list of exchanges, then visit their website. Now let's talk about the free ways using which you can get some free OKCash. You have to be active on their Discord channel to receive continuous rains and soaks. OKCash community is very active on Discord. just go and join their Discord community and you will receive rains and soaks almost every day. There is also another way to get some free OKCash. There is a platform called Flokes which is partner with OKCash, and for completing some daily task they reward their users with OKCash. You can write articles there, engage with other people post, complete your daily task, and at the end of the day when you complete your mission you will be rewarded in OKCash. So don't waste your time, get yourself registered in Flokes and start earning in most popular cryptocurrencies today. So what are you waiting for? Join OKCash community today. Visit the link visible in your screen, discord.io/cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. If you want to follow me on social media, the user handles are visible on your screen. Thank you for watching.